Centennial Olympic Park. Welcome to Exploring Atlanta, the ultimate guide to Atlanta's rich history, diverse culture, and must-see attractions. In today's episode, we explore Centennial Olympic Park. Before we dive into the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as it helps us bring you more videos like this. Centennial Olympic Park was developed as a gathering place for visitors and spectators during the 1996 Summer Olympics held in Atlanta. During the Olympics, the park contained sponsor exhibits, hosted entertainment, and medal presentations. This 22-acre revitalized public green space serves as a lasting legacy for the city, the crown jewel that anchors downtown Atlanta's thriving entertainment and hospitality district. It is a year-round destination for both locals and visitors. There is much fun to be enjoyed by children and adults alike inside this multifaceted park. Enhance your experience by exploring the various landmarks and features. Get refreshed in the iconic Fountain of Rings interactive fountain. Locate your engraved brick on the walkway. Bond with children and make friends on the playground. Take a seat and delight in the surrounding beauty and activities, and enjoy the expansive lawns. The park attracts millions of visitors each year and hosts a number of events, including a summer popular music concert series, the annual Sweetwater 420 Fest, and an annual 4th of July concert and fireworks display. No visit to downtown Atlanta would be complete without a stop by Centennial Olympic Park. Come along as we take you on a virtual tour of the park. We hope you find the presentation insightful and enjoyable in so much as we enjoy presenting it to you. May I remind you to not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Click the all notifications bell so you receive an alert each time we upload a new video. Now, let's go exploring.